A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for southwestern Louisiana. The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Iberia Parish in south-central Louisiana, Lafayette Parish in south-central Louisiana, north-central St. Mary Parish in south-central Louisiana, northeastern Vermilion Parish in southwestern Louisiana, west-central St. Martin Parish in south-central Louisiana, until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:38 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over ridge, or near rain, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cade, Youngsville, New Iberia, Lauraville, Acadiana Regional Airport, Indian Bayou, St. Martinville, Broussard, Lafayette, Dewson, Coteau, Montrese, Catahoula, Lake Falls Point, Parks, Milton, Ridge, Scott, and Jeanerette. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for south-central and southwestern Louisiana. Tornado watch number 720 remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time, and now includes the following coastal locations: Vermilion Bay, Atchafalaya and East Coast Blanche Bays.